Right, just starting to set out for this fence in Cowbridge. 24 metres, 8 foot high. Few complications because the wall has got a twist in it, and obviously being up against the wall, the best side will have to be inside. What's left is on the ground there is the waste from the conifers here that we chipped. So we'll start to set out now. Mark the posts, about 8 feet centres. Trouble with setting any fence that is around where conifers has been before, has been erected where conifers has been before, is the fact that you're going to hit roots and in ground like this, rocks, etc, etc. I always try to use the whole digger, but sometimes that's impossible, so I have to resort to bars and spades. Holes need to be about 2 foot deep to take a 6 to 8 foot post. These posts in fact will be 12 feet because of the depth of the wall. There's remain some privacy on the property. A couple of minutes now, dug through the rocks, dug through the roots. Get the rest out now, boys, just scooping it out down to a depth of about 2 feet. Certainly don't want to less than 2 feet because it's a 10-foot post. That's about it, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, that's the first post set. We'll have to work it out now to get our line to the next point, which will be approximately where that wall bulges out. But we want to try and create 4.8 metres so it works the length of our timber, so it will be the closest point to that at 4.8 metres, where we'll sink the next post and then they will go in at 2.4 metre centres for the rest of the gap. Postcrete is now in and is hardening. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to go off, which makes it absolutely brilliant because we can put the rail straight on top of it. Okay, so we've marked that now 4.8 centres, which makes it that point there. So we'll sink another hole to allow for the bulge in the wall. The fence will change direction slightly to keep it parallel to the wall. Okay, that's been about 15 minutes now-ish. The other post is now fixed. That'll give us our line to come through for the other posts. Make sure they're nice and straight. As I say, they're into the ground by about 2 feet. Postcrete on the first post has now gone off. Sufficient for us to start attaching our rails when we get the other posts in. Quite a quick process, as long as you don't hit too much rubble, etc. in the ground. Okay, so that's the third post now set. We'll stick the intermediates in. These are at 2.4 metres. Same process, about 2 feet deep. Setting postcrete. About 2 bags per post is sufficient. And then we can start fixing the rails. Okay, all the posts are now in up until the point where the fence will dogleg because of that bulge in the wall. And we'll now start attaching the rails. Okay, boarding started.